Hi there, Lynn Allen here. Today we're going to talk about 6 amazing reasons why you should make the move over to DraftSight. Okay, there are way more than 6 reasons, but we're going to focus on these 6 reasons today. All right, let's see if I can convince you by the time we're finished. All right, reason number 1, which I think is actually one of the most important reasons, is because you can save a lot, and I mean a lot of money, when you make the move over to DraftSight. Now, you're still going to get all those great features that you need to be successful in your design and drafting job. That's important, right? You can still create DWG files, but you can do it for a lot less money. And we're going to talk about a couple different ways as well that you can save even additional money on top of that. For example, let's take a look at reason number 2. Reason number 2, you want to buy a network license. Now, it's possible that your current CAD company may have discontinued network licenses. Boo! That's really important. If you have a lot of people in your organization who need to access your CAD product, but they don't do it all the time, right? Maybe they're casual users. Maybe you want a network license of 10, but you might have 40 different people that need to access that CAD license at any given time, right? But they're not doing it all at the same time. They're just casual users. Well, it would be super expensive if suddenly you had to buy all of those 40 CAD users their own independent CAD license. Well, that's gonna blow the budget, isn't it? That's a serious problem. Once again, you can buy a network license with DraftSight. Yay, that's fabulous. Let's take a look at reason number 3. Reason number 3, you want to buy a perpetual license. Okay, so that's something we say in the software industry. If you don't know what that means, it means that you just really want to just own the software. You can see she's over there. She's like, I just want to buy it. I want to own it. I don't want you guys to keep hounding me for more money. I just want to buy it and own it. Now, you don't get any upgrades, right? You kind of get stuck at that particular level, whatever release of the product that you buy it at. But maybe you don't care. Maybe you're fine with that. I want to buy it and I want to be done with it. I'm tired of spending money. So you can still do that with DraftSight. You can buy what's known as a perpetual license. Yay, we like that. That's a great reason. Let's see what reason number 4 is. Reason 4 is you just don't have time for a steep learning curve. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I'm saying time and time again, it's very easy for you to make the switch over to DraftSight. DraftSight is a very familiar interface. You're going to feel right at home at no time at all. Because I don't know about you, but I don't have a lot of time to learn a brand new CAD product, right? I want to be able to have it easy peasy. I want to make the move. I don't want to be stressed out. I don't want to be cranky. I want to make a smooth and easy transition over to my next CAD product while I'm saving all that money. And you can do that with DraftSight, absolutely. And I have made all kinds of videos to show that to you. In fact, you're going to find quite a few features inside of DraftSight that I promised you're going to like even better than the features that you have in your existing CAD product. You're going to have some true feature envy if you don't make the switch over. You will. All right, let's see what reason number 5 is. You're unhappy with your current CAD company and you're ready for a change. Maybe you've had it with whoever your current CAD company happens to be. Maybe it's time to break up. Come over to the land of DraftSight. We love you. We're friendly. We listen. We're easygoing. We're the friendly CAD company. I'm just saying, it might be time to break up. Think about it. Might be time for a change. A lot of companies have been making the change, that is for sure. Let's see what reason number 6 is. Oh, you want to join the millions of others who have made the switch. We've had millions of downloads of DraftSight. And I don't know about you, but I like comfort in numbers because there are actually some other CAD programs out there that you can make the switch to that are also less expensive than probably the CAD program you're currently using, but I like comfort in numbers. DraftSight is a great product to use. Like I said, it creates fabulous DWG files. It's easy to make the transition. It's a lot less expensive, and you're not alone. DraftSight's not going to go away, and I think that's really, really important. You want to make sure that when you do make that switch, you don't have to do it again. DraftSight's not going anywhere. It is heavily cemented and solid. The company that makes SolidWorks, SolidWorks loves DraftSight. They have a whole bunch of people behind it making sure that it's successful, and it has a long, happy future ahead of it, I promise. So that's a really good reason. You want to be in a place where there are millions of other users using the same product. I think there's strength in numbers. I don't know about you. All right. And this is not a reason, but hey, live the dream. Make the move over to DraftSight. Join all of the happy people out there who've made the switch. There's lots of them. Ask around. Maybe they don't confess. Maybe they don't say it out loud, but there are so many people, you wouldn't believe it, who you are working with every day that have decided to make the move to DraftSight. What are you going to do with all that extra money? Think about it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you back here in, I don't know, a little bit of time with some more tips that have to do with DraftSight. Have a great rest of the week.